Hi, I'm Joe.
And I'm Tammy.
Thanks for checking in for another episode. This is our final stop of our fall trip to Georgia.
This state park is located in Okefenokee National Wildlife Refuge. Here we are backing into Stephen C. Foster Campground, site number 48.
And here's a quick view of our campsite. Get a nice, beautiful, green, lush parking pad, a fire ring, and a picnic table, including water and electric. Since we went to Reese's Cider Company, Tammy picked up some craft hard cider, and I got my Cleveland Browns cup. I want to try this out. Try it over some ice. Fill all the way up because I am in the mood. Cheers, because it was a 5-hour drive here to this campground today. Ooh, that's good. Since the state park is located on a swamp, of course there'd be all kinds of boats that you can rent. Also, they even have a guided tour on the swamp, and it only takes about an hour and a half.
Alligators, snakes, turtles, birds, small mammals, mothmen, chupacabras. If we're real lucky, we may even come across a Sasquatch or two. Also referred to as the park ranger. A little plain ocean. This here is Billy's Lake. Yeah, it's just like for the ducks, except we only have. Gator. Yeah, that's it.
It's only his tail.
You can see his head right there.
Yeah, I mean, he's probably about 4 foot. Yeah, 8.
It was a really nice, pleasant tour of the swamp, and we even got to see quite a few gators while we were out there. And we were not the only ones interested in the swamp. PBS TV station was also out here doing some filming of their own. And that's their remote control camera hovering overhead, eyeballing a gator.
Oh, there she is.
I missed
Oh,
her.
there's the tag. Okay,
Yep.
she was maybe the one that we saw in the... Yeah, the resident.
Next, we took a nice, relaxing walk on Trembling Earth Nature Trail. It's a beautiful trail that cuts through the swamp area, which also leads to a short boardwalk. And look what crossed our paths on the way back to the campsite.
I don't know where the third one was. I think it's behind the tree.
Alright, time for a quick tour of the campground so you know what to expect when you come here. There are 63 campsites nestled in a wooded area for you to choose from. The campsites include 30 amp and 50 amp electricity, water, and then some campsites also include sewer for full hookup. When visiting this park, be sure to follow the bear wear guidelines as we are in bear country. You also have a really nice comfort station located in the middle of the loop. I really like the campsites here. You have really nice green lush camping pad, plus you have a standalone charcoal grill, picnic table, and a fire ring with the option to cook on it. Now, the ranger station is also located right at the boat marina. You can bring your own boat, but you can also rent boats from the ranger station for fishing or just touring around the swamp. The ranger station also has a general store for some camping gear and even fishing supplies. The park also hosts a really small day use area. It has a pavilion and some public restrooms and some swing sets. Alright, it's time for me and Tammy to head back to Florida as our trip comes to a conclusion. We hope you enjoyed this video, and you may want to consider subscribing to our channel as we may be guilty to adding to your bucket list. Thanks for watching. Chew for the road.